Okay YouTube, here is my unboxing of the HP Envy M6-1232sa. Now this is, well, I'll call it a cheap gaming PC, and I'll just show you the specs on the side of the box. It's got a 3rd generation Intel Core processor, an i5 at 2.6 GHz, half a terabyte of storage space, 6 GB of RAM. It's got a DVD optical drive, pre-installed Windows 8, full LED resolution display, Radeon dedicated graphics card, and it's got wireless and Bluetooth integrated. Let's just look around the box. It's a notebook PC, as it says there. Got the seal. Got all my order information there. And as you can see, it's the HP Envy M6-1232sa notebook. On the back, just has some caution information, and it tells you it's got an Intel processor as well as Beats audio. So it has a triple bass sound subwoofer on the back of the laptop. So let's get into this now. Right, there she is. Just gonna pull this out. Alright, here we have some setup instructions with some warranty information. Just tells you where everything is. The basic, really. Got some Windows 8 basics, as it's got a HP Windows 8 pre-installed. Probably a home premium version. Right, now save the laptop until last. Put that aside. Right, but what have we got here? Right, so we've got the power supply, adapter, here's the AC adapter, plugging into your computer. Now here she is. Let's just move all this out of the way. Right. There's some very tough polystyrene there. Ooh. It's got a nice slate finish. Just get that out of there. Silica gel. Don't eat me. Don't eat me. Right. And there she is. The HP Envy M6. Look at that slate top finish. Stainless steel HP emblem. It's got a plastic rim. Hewlett Packard. Right, if we go around the sides, got the fan exterior. Got a VGA input. HDMI input. You've got the Ethernet port. Just let it focus. These are your super speed USB 3 ports, and it also has a headphone jack. SS is super speed. Those two lights are for the Ethernet port. Go around to the other side. We've got the DVD tray, and we also have one more super speed port and one more standard USB 2.0 port, and the AC input. It's just the power and CPU usage lights. The hard disk drive storage lights. If we look on the inside, this little mesh, it's obviously to stop the keyboard rubbing against the screen and transport. Looking at the keyboard, it's very plush. It's quite nice. Oh, oh yeah. And that's a nice feel. It's got a very low profile keyboard. If I just put this down, you can see that there. It's very low profile. It's slightly dipped in, and they've also carried through this stainless slate finish. So as you can see there, it's got the Intel i5 processor and Radeon dedicated graphics. There's also a fingerprint unlock security. You got your numpad. There's your Beats audio system. Your power button. Got quite a few functionalities on all these buttons. You've got the touchpad on and off. Right and left clicker. And that's pretty much it. Got an SD card reader. Right there. Looking at the screen, it's very glossy. And that says HP Envy M6. Go around to the back, you can see the hinges follow through. And on the bottom of the device, or the laptop, you can see the Beats triple bass subwoofer. Right there. You've got your RAM slots under these plastic coverings, and more fan exteriors. You've got nice rubber mounted tips. Now, for the main event, let's power it on. I have already turned this on, so we don't have to go through all the setup, but you can just see that it's running Windows 8 in a minute. The screen resolution is 1366 by 768, so it's not bad for this kind of display, kind of laptop setup. The graphics are very good. If you look out elsewhere on my channel, you can see the Battlefield free gameplay on automatic settings with Ultra texture pack. And it seems to work quite well. Right. We're coming. And there we go. There is Windows 8. Go back to desktop. Now, if you're getting this PC, I recommend you get the Humble Bundle from Origin. It means you pay about £3 and you get all 8 games. So here you can see I've downloaded Battlefield 3, Burnout Paradise, Command and Conquer Red Alert 3, Dead Space, and Team Fortress. They're all on the Humble Bundle from Origin, and they all cost me £3. So that's £3 for every single game there. Right. Apart from that, this has been the unboxing of the HPMV M6-1232sa. And it is just a beautiful device. So there you have it. Thanks for watching.